Cats may not always show affection in the same way dogs do, but they have their own unique and surprising ways of expressing love. One surprising way cats show affection is by presenting their hind end to you. While it may seem odd, this is actually a sign of trust and a way for cats to greet you. In the wild, it is a friendly gesture that shows they feel safe around you. When a cat sits on you, it is a sign they want to be close and feel safe. This behavior shows they trust you and enjoy your company. Cats often sit on their owners as a way of bonding and showing affection. When a cat curves its tail around you, it is a sign of affection and happiness. This behavior shows that they feel comfortable and friendly with you. When a cat slow blinks at you, it is a sign of love and trust. If your cat blinks slowly at you, they consider you a friend and feel safe with you. When a cat purrs, it is a sign they are content and comfortable around you. Cats often purr when they feel loved and safe. If your cat purrs while near you, it is their way of showing affection. Cats show affection by head-butting or rubbing against you to mark you as theirs. It is their way of sharing love and feeling safe. These actions also help them bond with you and feel connected. Cats sometimes give gentle love bites as a sign of affection. They might nibble on your hand or fingers to show they trust you. It is their way of expressing comfort and bonding with you. When a cat follows you around, it shows they enjoy your company. They want to be near you and feel safe with you. It is a sign of love and trust from your furry friend. Cats show affection by licking or grooming you, just like they do with other cats they trust. This is their way of bonding and caring for you. It is a sign they feel comfortable and love being around you. When cats vocalize or meowing, they are showing affection. They may do this to get your attention or to express happiness. It is their way of telling you they feel safe and loved. So, by knowing these signs, you can understand the surprising ways cats show affection.